Welcome to Graton Resort and Casino. I'm finally in a premium 2-bay corner suite. And yes, I arrived in style. Let's go upstairs and take a look at the room. Starts with a very spacious living room. Very nice wet bar. Be prepared to be impressed. Yeah, that's good stuff. Now let's get back inside and check out the rest of this suite. Plenty of closet space. Got my sandals for when I go to the pool later. Let's check out the master suite. A giant king-size bed, which was very comfortable. Complimentary robes for my stay. Very spacious bathroom. Bathtub, which came with bubbles. Very large powder sitting area. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and click that bell. You'll be notified immediately when I release a new video. If you want to see more suite tours, click on this. If you want to see me go down to the casino and gamble, click on this.